Alright, hey guys, I'm back. Just spent a whole bunch of hours cleaning up my place. It looks a little bit more presentable now. Just getting ready to vacuum, but let's take a tour of how my place looks now. Okay, so these again, this is where I get my shoes. Here's some boxes of books I gotta get rid of. Oh, forgot to show last time. This here is my storage closet where I keep a bunch of packaging supplies, boxes, and what was over here? So bubble wrap, and then some foam kind of lining, not, well, wrap, foam wrap, I guess. Laundry. This is the vacuum that I'm borrowing from my mom. Got some more civil peace flags. Now anyway, here we have all of these books. Again, I gotta figure out how to sell them, but you know, I haven't really had enough space to really be able to work on it because stuff was just all over the place, as you saw last time. But now I can create space, take proper pictures of it so that they can be uploaded onto Amazon or a website or whatever, listed for sale. It's a lot of work. It's a ridiculous amount of work. So I put a bunch of stuff away in the kitchen because, you know, again, I'm vacuuming. You vacuum here, switch the direction of the flag, since most people are going to view it from the outside whenever I open these blinds, so that's what they're going to see. Can't really see it at nighttime. Well, maybe you can because of the light here, but no one really does much at nighttime in this town. So organizational tools, got a lot of them. This here I wanted to show everyone is a okay, so this is a weigh scale. It can weigh up to around 50 pounds according to the manufacturer. I needed it because some of these books are pretty big. They can get quite heavy. Like, let's see, I thought there was a bigger, no, I guess I probably put it in that box already. So let's just grab this one and find out how much this book weighs. Because whenever, okay, so it looks like we got 7 pound, let's see, 7 pounds and 13.7 ounces for this book. So if I were to mail it out, I need to calculate the proper shipping amount that can be charged, and you know, that way I don't get like overcharged by, you know, by the system, where the post office will end up telling me or sending it back, or customers sending the package back because the post office wanted more money for them. So this is to make sure that I don't underestimate the amount of shipping costs that it takes to deliver it out to the customers. Scanner, a bunch of more organizational office tools, computers and stuff. Shredder, tripods and stuff. Here's my office room again, so my office. Okay, now there's a lot of problems that occur in my life. It's just one thing after another sometimes. It's just ridiculous. So I think I actually mentioned it last time, so I gotta actually repair one of these computers, or maybe both of them, so that I can actually get them into working, usable order. Eventually what I want to do is to have a business set up that essentially sells computer parts and systems, and you know, I also know how to repair them as well. I just basically, you know, need to have the space to work with, be able to organize. There's one of my laptops, there's an external hard drive where I forgot where I put the USB cable and the power supply or power adapter for it. But anyway, cleared up the floor so I can vacuum in here. And then eventually I'll make use of these closets again. So there's for the purposes that they're actually intended for. Let's check the bathroom. Okay, so bathroom here. So move things out of the way. It's not perfect, but you know, at least it's not a mess like last time. Or at least not as much of a mess anyway. I went ahead and wiped down these windows clean, or these mirrors I should say. So this mirror, that mirror. Okay, made it all clean. That there is my, not exactly a bunk bed, but a loft. And sometimes I sleep there. Believe it or not, most of the time I just sleep on the floor. Put it this area. So more containers to store things. I put the garbage can up here. It was down here originally, but just moving it temporarily so I can vacuum. And that pretty much covers my whole area by the looks of it. What else? Did I want to mention anything else? I guess I don't really see much at this time, so... Oh! We already covered the kitchen, right? Yeah. So... Anyway, there's a lot of papers and stuff to sort out. This here is my water filter dispenser thingy. Black cat. Meow. 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 Okay. Well, guess I'll... Yeah, so down here I'm gonna... Actually, I gotta switch out this. Okay, these things are called wands, I guess. So I gotta shorten the wand, and then I can use this little brush thing here in order to vacuum the floor down there. Anyway, that's pretty much it for now. We'll see you guys another time. Thanks for viewing. See you another day. Goodbye. Oh, my screen turned off.